Hi everyone, today I have a product review for you. I don't do these very often, but from time to time I find a product that I really like, and I've been using this for a while and I thought I would share it with you. It is the Love Home & Planet Concentrated Laundry Detergent, and this is in the scent Rose Petal and Mora Mora. And what attracted me was that it has a rose petal scent. Because usually you find laundry detergents and they're sort of like, you know, spring fresh or an herbal smell or something like that, or sometimes lavender. And this also does come in a lavender scent. I haven't tried that one yet, but I just like the idea that it's a pretty floral. I think it's a pretty bottle. I love the label. You can see that. A little focus. I'm a big fan of this company's shampoos as well. I've done a previous review of the Love Beauty & Planet shampoo, which I also use in the same scent, the Mora Mora butter with the rose. I will put a link to that up here if you want to check that out. But I thought it was really intriguing that they branched out into home products, because not only do they have the laundry detergent, they have fabric softener, they have dryer sheets, I think they have some cleaning supplies. I haven't tried those other things yet, so they will be in a future video if I love them enough to share it with you. So I bought this on Amazon and it came with two 40-ounce bottles. So it says that this 40-ounce container will be good for 53 wash loads. And it does last a long time. I bought this at the very end of May, so I went through the first bottle. It took me about 4 months, and I usually do probably 2 or 3 loads of laundry, actually maybe about 5 loads of laundry, considering everyone in the house, a week. So it does last long because you really don't need a lot of it. The instructions say to let the water start filling up in your washing machine tub, and then you pour in a little bit of this, and as it's foaming up, then you add your clothes to it. So it's really easy to use, and if your clothes start coming out smelling too strong, then you know you've used too much of this, because when you use it properly, you get just a very light, subtle rose fragrance. It's not overpoweringly rose. Your clothes just smell pretty and they come out nice and clean as well. According to the company, the formulation is made with 94% plant-based cleaners. It's also certified vegan and cruelty-free by PETA. The bottle is recyclable. It is made of recyclable materials, and I just love the label. I think you can see that. I love the floral label. I just think it's very pretty. So let me know, have you used any of the Love Home & Planet products yourself? Any of the ones that I haven't used? Let me know what you thought of them. And I think that's all. I will see you next time. Thank you for joining me. Share this video with your friends. I hope you found it helpful, and I'll see you soon.